friends, welcome to the point. In this session, let's discuss about the Java Sea. So the Java Sea, it is an extensive shallow sea on the Sunda Shelf between the Indonesian islands of Borneo to the north, Java to the south, Sumatra to the west, and Sulawesi to the east. So Karimata Strait is to its northwest, which links South China Sea, and it is a part of Western Pacific Ocean. So the Java Sea is formed as the sea levels rose at the end of the last ice age. So it's almost uniformly flat bottom and the presence of drainage channels, so which indicates that Sunda Shelf was once a stable, dry, low relief land area, above which were left standing a few molodic knots, which means granite hills that due to their resistance to erosion form the present islands. So the International Hydrographic Organization defines Java Sea as one of the waters of the East Indian Archipelago, with the criteria that on the north, by the southern limit of South China Sea, the southwest extremity of Bangka Island, through this island to Tanjong Berikat and eastern point on Tanjong Denjman in Biliton along the north coast of this island to Tanjong Boryong Mandi, and thence a line to Tanjong Sambar, the southwest extreme Borneo, the south coast of Borneo on the southern limit of Makassar Strait. So through the southern point of Tanah Keke to the southern extreme Light, and hence up the west coast of that island is Tanjong Kivi, and hence across the Tanjong Petak, Borneo at the southern end of the Laut Strait. So talking about his history, the Battle of the Java Sea from February to March 1942 was one of the costliest naval battles of the World War II. The naval forces of the Netherlands, Britain, Australia and United States were nearly destroyed trying to defend Java from Japanese attack. On 28 December 2014, Indonesian AirAsia flight 8051 crashed into the Java Sea while en route to Singapore from Surabaya, East Java, and all the 162 passengers and crew were killed. So on 29th October 2018, Lion Air Flight 610 was crashed into the Java Sea shortly after takeoff from the Jakarta airport heading towards the Pangkal Pinang. All the 189 passengers and crew on board, they are presumed to death. So on 9th January 2021, a Boeing 737-500 operating as Sri Vijaya Air Flight 182, it crashed near Laki Island shortly after taking off from the Soekarno-Hatta International Airport en route to Supadio International Airport with 50 passengers and 12 crew members aboard. Apart from this, there are a few economic activities which take place to the sea, and fishing is an important economic activity in the Java Sea, where about 3,000 species of marine life are found in the area. A number of national parks exist in areas such as Karimunjawa. The 1,000 islands are located north of the national capital of Jakarta and or the city's only regency. So the area around the Java Sea is also popular tourist destination, and scuba diving offers a chance to explore and photograph underwater caverns, wrecks, corals, sponges and other marine lives. And this is all about the Java Sea. See you in the next session. Thank you.